When sewing a pattern, it will usually recommend a seam allowance for how wide the seam needs to be stitched at the beginning of the pattern. So what you can do is you can also set your fabric right along here. It is noted in both inches and metric on the throat plate. But in the accessory box is a seam guide, and this seam guide can be used to help you stay guided on the right line. You loosen the screw at the top here, slide the seam guide to the line you want to follow, tighten up the screw, and now you can have this perfect same seam allowance on every project. This is not only great for adults, it's also great for kids. So if you're teaching them how to get nice, accurate seams, put on the seam guide and have them guide their fabric perfectly along the edge.